This is an overview of how to use Stages, which is an automated system web service working with a teacher evaluation tool. So Danielson's frameworks for teaching is hidden behind all of this form that's used for automating the evaluation system. The first thing, early in the year, a teacher could do a self-evaluation. My teachers did not do those the past 2 years. I may have a couple teachers do them this coming year. I set goals with the teachers. The goals are set from previous year's evaluations and or the data. And so we set the goals, and then we track them throughout the year. Then before the year is up, we mark them completed or ongoing into the next year. Then I have a series of observation tools that I use. I can do a pre-observation conference form. I chose not to this year because what I found was when I went in last year doing the pre-observation, the teachers knew I was coming and they had the lesson very detailed out, and it was done very well. So this year I came in unannounced, and then I did ask them to do a post-observation because I use that in the domain 4 of professionalism for reflecting on their teaching. And each one of these could open up, we could view them. The scripting observation is an ongoing minute by minute log, and then I drop in ratings from the 4 domains after I've done the observation, after I've scripted it. Then we have observations frequency with timers that can be used. Additional scripting observation. I can do walkthroughs. I did some walkthroughs back in the fall, and those also are placed into the automated system. This system is called Stages. It comes out of Michigan. Then it comes to the final summative performance evaluation when I rank all of the different components of frameworks for teaching. But what I want to show you is the data portion. If we go down here lower, this particular teacher is a 3rd grade teacher, and if we open up that rubric, we start seeing the data, how the data is computed. For our present school year, 40 points or 40% of the performance evaluation system came from student data. And all of the 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade teachers, they had a writing rubric. Each student was assigned a writing, and we scored them at the beginning of the year, and then we scored them at the end of the year, the same writing rubric, same writing prompt. Actually did it 3 times during the year to track growth. And then we measured if there was fewer than 25% of the students meeting target, they would get 0 points, 25 to 49. In fact, these bands are consistent all the way down through the different categories. And this particular teacher, they had 78.5% met target growth, and so they got 2 points in that area. Then going the grade level was only 56.7, so they only got 1.33. Then we went to the reading, NWA reading, and this is taken off the achievement and growth status end of the year report. And this particular teacher got 80.8%, and that would put them in the highly effective area, or 80%, so they got 5 points. The grade level got 87.5, kind of amazing growth target that the 3rd grade team generated. 4 points for that. Then the language was 3 points individual, and they had 80, and so 80 is 3 points. 2 points for the grade level. 78 point, that'd be 1.33. And then down to the math. Once again, these are taken off the achievement, growth, and status report from the fall to the spring. And 92%, just about all of her kids hit target growth, and so they got 5 points. The teacher could have put in the evidences here, which would have been just some comments about the NWA. We give the Common Core State Standard version 3. And then the grade level is taken off of the district summary reports. And the grade level is 81.5, so that's 4 points. Then we have two more areas that are relative to really our state assessment. The building scorecard, we got yellow was our color. We were hoping for lime or green, but actually most all of the districts and schools in the state of Michigan were yellow. So we got 6 points there, and the district scorecard is yellow also, so 3.33, so 9.33. These are relative to our state assessment on also additional components of the Education Yes program in the state of Michigan. So we add all these up and we get 34.99. Now we're back to the dashboard, and we want to go into the weighted summary results right here. We're going to go into the weighted summary. And now into the weighted summary, we can see that here are the domains